Hello YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a animated wallpaper like the one you can see here right now. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, you want to go to Microsoft Store, search up Lively Wallpaper. I already have it, so I don't need to download it. But you have to download the software. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna reinstall it. I actually can't. Just I'll click on open. Haha. Once you open it, you're gonna see a menu like this pop up. So you already have some options right here. Like, let me show you. So if we click this, it's called fluids. You can see that this wallpaper just popped up. So we already have one animated wallpaper, and then there's other options here. Yeah, as you can see, this is animated and pretty sick as well. But if you want something new, you can add from here. Like, you just open a file. Like, if you have a video or a GIF file on your computer, just grab it here. Like, click open and just grab it from here. Then press open. That's it. I don't have any GIF at the moment, so I'm not gonna go that far. Or you can just use an URL, like a YouTube video or like a 10 or GIF. I don't know. You can use that as well. But yeah, once you're done with it, press OK. A new option will pop up here. Just click on that one, like these, pretty much. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If it helped you guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Until then, goodbye.